Welcome to the Danish Teacher. This lesson will be about adjectives, or tillægsord as we call them in Danish. As you might know, an adjective is a word that describes a noun or navnord in Danish. Examples of adjectives in Danish are høj, which means tall, and sjov, which means funny. We have 3 degrees of the adjective: first degree, second degree, and third degree. If we take the adjective høj, this is the first degree. A sentence with høj is: Bob er en høj dreng, which means Bob is a tall boy. Høj, tall, is the adjective, and dreng, boy, is the noun. Tall describes the boy. The second degree of the adjective høj is højere. We take the first degree of the adjective and put ere at the end. A sentence with højere is: John er højere end Bob, which means John is taller than Bob. Højere is the adjective, taller. The second degree, usually you use the second degree of the adjective to compare two things or two persons. The third degree of the adjective høj is højeste. You take the first degree høj and put este at the end. Højeste or tallest. John er den højeste dreng i klassen. John is the tallest boy in the class. Højeste, tallest, is the adjective. Dreng, boy, is the noun. And tallest describes the boy. That was the first lesson about adjectives or tillægsord. If you're interested in more Danish lessons, please visit www.thedanishteacher.com. Thank you.